Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Today we are going to take a look at the Oraimo BoomPop 2, a pair of headphones that promises up to 60 hours of playtime and dual device connectivity. Plus I've got a special discount code for you to save 5%. Anyway, let's see if it really delivers. Let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, the box is pretty simple but informative. It highlights key features like reach, beat beyond all day, and mentions that it offers up to 60 hours of playtime. On the side you can also see details about its fast charging, where 15 minutes of charging gives you 600 minutes of use. Pretty impressive. Opening up the box, we have the headphones themselves, which are sleek and compact, and the usual paperwork. These also support Bluetooth 5.3 for stable connection, and comes with an aux input for when you want to go wired. A USB Type-C cable is also included. First impressions of the design. These look pretty stylish with their black and green accents. They are lightweight and the ear cups are nicely padded for comfort during long listening sessions. The foldable design makes it easy to store and travel with, which is always a plus. Now let's talk features. The Oraimo BoomPop 2 offers dual device connectivity, so you can connect up to 2 devices at once, like your laptop and phone. This is perfect if you are someone who switches between devices frequently. As mentioned earlier, these headphones come with a huge 60 hours of playtime. So whether you are listening to music, watching videos or even gaming, you can expect extended use before needing to recharge. And with the 15-minute charge for 600 minutes of use, you won't be left hanging for too long. Next, let's talk about sound. Oraimo promises powerful deep bass with their heavy bass technology. From what I've tested so far, the sound quality is pretty impressive. The bass is punchy and immersive, and the mids and highs are balanced. So whether you are into hip-hop, rock or podcasts, these headphones should perform well. In terms of comfort, the lightweight design and soft ear cups makes them great for long listening sessions. I didn't feel any discomfort even after wearing them for a couple of hours, which is definitely a win in my book. So is the Oraimo BoomPop 2 worth getting in 2024? If you are looking for affordable headphones that offer long playtime, dual device connectivity and solid sound quality, these might be a great choice for you. And with the 365-day warranty, Oraimo has got you covered for any potential issues. And don't forget, I've got a special discount just for you. Use the code that appears or at the link in the description below to check out and save 5% on your purchase. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.